Okay, so today we are diving into something that I think is super fascinating, but let's be real, also kind of scary for a lot of us writing a compiler.
I mean, really think about it. You type all this human-friendly text into your editor, you hit a button, and boom, your computer just gets it. What is that magic in between? Well, that magic is a compiler.
And for years, I was completely convinced it was actual magic. It felt like this massive, unapproachable mountain of theory that only the absolute geniuses of programming could even think about climbing.
Yeah, it seriously felt like some kind of dark art, practiced by this secret club of wizards. And I definitely didn't know the password. The whole idea just seemed way, way out of my league.
But then, I stumbled across something that completely changed everything for me. It was like finding a treasure map that turned that impossible mountain into a series of clear, step-by-step hiking trails.
What I found was a project that breaks the whole entire process down. And not with a bunch of dense academic theory, but with a super hands-on, let's build this thing together kind of guide. It makes it all feel, well, not just possible, but actually doable.
And this is it. It's a GitHub repository called A Compiler Writing Journey by a developer named Warren Toomey. He documented his entire adventure of writing a compiler for a part of the C language. So it's not just code, it's a story, a tutorial. It's our map.
And, it's not just me. With over 12,000 stars on GitHub, it's pretty clear that this map has helped a lot of people find their way through the wilderness of compiler design. This quote right here from the author's intro, this says it all. This is the whole vibe. It's not about getting bogged down in theory for theory's sake. It's about getting your hands dirty, building something real, and learning what you need to know as you need it. So, where do you even start with something this huge? Well, like any good map, this one has a really clear trailhead. It points you exactly where to go for your first few steps so you don't get lost 5 minutes in. And I can already hear you. You look at the first step and you see a term like lexical scanning, and you're like, and I'm out. It sounds super technical, right? But hold on, wait, let's back up. Let's break that down.
It's actually way simpler than it sounds. Think about how you read a sentence. Your brain doesn't just see a jumble of letters, it groups them into words. A compiler does the exact same thing with your code. It scans it and bundles characters into meaningful little chunks called tokens. That's it. That's the big, scary first step. Not so bad, right?
So look at how this path is laid out for you. You start with the intro, then you tackle that lexical scanning we just talked about, then something called parsing, and by part 4, you've already built a tiny, functioning compiler. That's amazing. The progress feels so real, which is just so motivating. All right, enough talk about the Mac. Let's actually put our boots on the trail. I want to show you just how incredibly easy it is to get started right now. First things first, you just grab the code. It's literally one git clone command. You pop that into your terminal, and the entire 64-part journey, all the code, all the explanations, is right there on your computer. So once you have it, you just cd into that first directory, o1_scanner. And this is the awesome part. Inside, there's the source code for just that one step, and a super detailed README file that explains exactly what the code is doing, the new concepts, and how to compile and run it. Each part is its own little self-contained lesson. Okay, so now for a little bit of real talk. This project is absolutely incredible for learning, but it's also important to know that the original trail, well, it has an endpoint. We should talk about its current status. The creator of this journey has actually finished this project and has moved on to building a whole new programming language, which is super cool, but it means this particular repository isn't being actively developed anymore. But here's the thing. I actually think that's a good thing. It's not some moving target. What you're getting is a complete, finished 64-part masterclass. It's a solid, practical foundation with a fully working compiler that you can use as a springboard for whatever wild ideas you have about building your own languages. So, here's the bottom line. The map is there for you. The trail is perfectly marked. The adventure is just sitting there, waiting for you to take that first step. So here's what you do. 3 simple things. Go to the repository on GitHub. Read the intro, it'll give you the lay of the land. Then clone the code and just dive into part 1. Seriously, you could do all of that in the next 10 minutes and start demystifying compilers today.
And that really leads to the most exciting question of all, doesn't it? Once you understand how languages are actually built from the ground up, what will you create? What kind of tools or languages will you bring to life? The sky is literally the limit. This explainer was generated with Google's NotebookLM, based on cited resources, and is for reference only.
Take this further. I am genuinely excited to see what you discover.
If you had fun on this journey, let us know by leaving a rating, subscribing, and maybe drop a comment with topics you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.